Hi, I'm Eddie the Bartender with LIQUORexam.com and bartendertees.com, and I'm here to demonstrate how to make a Blue Hawaiian. Now, you take a highball glass. I don't have one of those, so I'm going to use a pint glass for demonstration purposes. The recipe calls for blue curaçao and rum, but there's some different recipes out there. Like if you look at the back of this bottle, it says vodka, blue curaçao, pineapple, and sour. But I'm going to go with the rum version because this drink was originated in 1957 in Hawaii by a bartender named Henry Yee. So since it's a Hawaiian drink, we're going to use rum. That's just what I'm going to do. So we'll do 1 ounce of each rum and blue curaçao. 1, 2, I'll make it a little heavy. Blue curaçao is made from the peels of the laraha fruit, and it's an orange flavored liqueur. So the recipe calls for a dash of coconut syrup. You can use Coco Lopez. I'm using this finest call pina colada mix, and you just fill it with pineapple juice. It's a fruity drink. It's great if you're on vacation, if you're at the beach, something like that. If you like, you can mix it up. The garnish, you can kind of use your imagination. Pineapple won't be appropriate since it's an aloha kind of drink. We'll use a couple cherries. We'll throw an orange on there. And I think that'll do it. Pop in a straw. And there you have it, a Blue Hawaiian. Again, I'm Eddie the Bartender with LIQUORexam.com and bartendertees.com. If you're interested in bartender apparel like this t-shirt here, head over to bartendertees.com. We have a full line of t-shirts, tank tops, sweatshirts, hoodies, hats, and accessories. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.